सक्षम भारत के लिए, सामर्थ्यवान भारत के लिए और आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए सभी मतदाता ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतों के साथ अपना मतदान का प्रयोग करें और सभी मतदाता भारी संख्या में आकर अपने मतदान का प्रयोग करके प्रजातंत्र को भी मजबूत बनाएं और भारत को समर्थ भारत, सक्षम भारत, आत्मनिर्भर भारत और विकसित भारत इस संकल्प को पूरा करने में अपना योगदान करें। आज प्रातः यहाँ मुझे अपने गांव वासियों से भी, अपने भाई बहनों से भी मिलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। मन को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। पुराने मित्रों से भी मिलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ और मैं इसको प्रजातंत्र का त्योहार मानता हूँ, उत्सव मानता हूँ और प्रजातंत्र को मजबूत करने का इस उत्सव को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग मनाएं और सामर्थ्यवान भारत को आगे बढ़ाने में अपना योगदान करें।
So that's in Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh, from where JP Nadda hails. He's cast his vote and speaking, and we'll get you more reactions on that. And importantly, remember, like Prime Minister Modi had said, that this needs to look like a festival, and it is indeed. Remember, not many may realize, but the privilege to be in a democracy, to cast your vote, to decide your leader, is not in all countries of the world. So remember that and do not take it for granted. At this time, Yogi Adityanath has cast his vote, one of the first voters in Uttar Pradesh and Gorakhpur. The constituency is represented from 1998 to 2017 till it went to then Ravi Kishan. But he's also, because he's the monk and takes care of the Gorakhpur Mutt, that also has had that connection and a stronghold that the BJP has had in Gorakhpur. But apart from that, remember, this is one constituency. We'll take you through from Uttar Pradesh, where there's Varanasi also, all set for polling for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, hopeful of a third term. Ajay Rai, the challenger to Prime Minister Modi from Banaras. All my colleagues on the ground, and that's the image coming in from Himachal Pradesh this time. So let's go across to Kamaljeet Sandhu on this. On this, and Piyush Mishra also is joining me. Piyush, I understand that you're in Bilaspur right now, where Nadda has cast his vote. Go ahead. What is the mood like? Do you see arrangements around you where people are already queuing up?
Well, certainly, Pooja, remember that the polling is taking place on all Lok Sabha seats of Himachal Pradesh, and right now I am in Bilaspur, and a couple of minutes back, BJP's National President JP Nadda cast his vote at the Bijapur Anganwadi Center. You can see as to how these are the visuals also of that particular polling booth where JP Nadda a couple of minutes back had cast his vote, and now he is leaving from here. He, along with his family members, had come here to cast their vote. Now he will be going among the people. These are the live pictures of live pictures of JP Nadda, who is now leaving from polling booth. And this is Hamirpur constituency, from where VVIP candidate Anurag Thakur is contesting, and JP Nadda has just cast his vote. Last time, out of 4 Lok Sabha constituencies, BJP was able to win all 3 Lok Sabha constituencies, and Mandi was the only constituency which BJP had lost. But this time BJP has put all its might to win all the constituencies in Himachal Pradesh. At the same time, BJP is also very much hopeful that when on June 4th the results are announced, then there will be change in the government also, in the Himachal Pradesh government also, because the Congress government will go and then BJP will form its government, because there are 6 MLAs who had quit from the Congress party and had joined BJP. They are now contesting on BJP candidate. BJP is confident that it is going to win on all these 6 seats also in the assembly, and then we will see change in the state government. This is what the BJP is craving. These are the visuals of JP Nadda, who is now leaving from this polling booth, going towards his residence. He will be meeting the workers there. Today is the busy day for BJP's national president, and Bilaspur is his home constituency, Pooja. And since beginning, he has been working tirelessly from this constituency, and we are not only witnessing as to how he is becoming an important partner also in the story of development which PM Narendra Modi is carrying out, but also he is playing a crucial role as the BJP's national president. So now BJP chief JP Nadda has left out for his residence. We are also moving there. We'll try to catch him and understand the pulse of Himachal Pradesh. Pooja.